गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। स्टैंडर्ड 7 सब्जेक्ट साइंस चैप्टर 2 है न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स। इस चैप्टर का आपका फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो गया, टू चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हो गया, ओनली वन आंसर सेंटेंस जो था वो भी करवा दिया आपको मैंने। अभी इसका आगे है डिफाइन फूड, डाइजेशन एंड न्यूट्रिशन। नंबर 1 है फूड। The substance that supply nutrients to the body are called food. Digestion, a process of the breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substance is called digestion. Next number 3 है nutrition, a process of intaking of food and its utilization in body is called nutrition. Next है short question answer. Number 1 है mention the digestive organs of human. The digestive organs of human, number 1 है the buccal cavity, number 2 है food pipe of esophagus, नंबर 3 है स्टमक, नंबर 4 है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन, नंबर 5 है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन एंडिंग इन द रिटर्न रेक्टम। नंबर 6 है द एनस ग्लैंड, द एनस secretory glands such as salivary gland, the liver and the pancreas are accessory digestive organs. Next number 2 है mention the functions of the tongue. Answer है the functions of the tongue. It detects different tastes of food. It is helpful in talking. Number 3 है it mixes saliva with the food during chewing and help in swallowing food. Number 3 है draw diagram of tongue and mention how and which region of it different taste of food can be detected. आंसर है टू डिटेक्ट द डिफरेंट टेस्ट ऑफ फूड द सरफेस ऑफ टंग इट्स हैज़ डिफरेंट टेस्ट। यहाँ पे उसके टेस्ट का जो पिक्चर बताया है देखो, डिफरेंट टेस्ट बड स्पेसिफिक टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट रेसिप्टर cells are there in each of these taste bud. A region on the tongue where such cells are more related taste is detected rapidly there. Sweet taste on the tip, salty on either side of the front of the tongue. Sour taste slightly posterior side of it and bitter taste is detected in posterior region of tongue. Next number 4 write short explanation about mouth and buccal cavity. Ingestion of food starts through mouth. The inner cavity of mouth is called buccal cavity. Teeth, tongue and salivary glands occur in buccal cavity. Teeth. There are 32 teeth and each tooth is rooted in a separate low socket in the gums. We chew the food with the teeth and break it down mechanically into small pieces. Tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ attached at the back to the floor of the buccal cavity. It is free at the front and can be moved in all directions. It detects the taste at food, help mixing saliva with food and in swallowing food. Salivary glands. Salivary secrete from it mix with food. Digestive enzyme in saliva break down starch into sugar. Food digestion begins in buccal cavity in human. Next step 5 explain the structure of stomach. The stomach is a thick wall bag. Its shape is like a flattened U and it is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is connected with the esophagus at upper and with small intestine at lower end. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. Churning of food and partial digestion of protein occur in stomach. Next question है what is absorption? Explain the absorption of nutrients in small intestine. The digested food passes into the blood vessel in the wall of the small intestine. This process is called absorption. The inner wall of the small intestine has thousands of finger-like outgrowths called villi. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to its surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported to different organs through the blood of blood vessels. एक्सप्लेन द स्ट्रक्चर फंक्शन ऑफ लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन. देखो अभी इसके फंक्शन बताए हैं, स्ट्रक्चर और फंक्शन है उसका. स्ट्रक्चर का 1 पॉइंट है लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का. नंबर 1 है इट इज़ वाइडर एंड शॉर्टर देन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. नंबर 1 फंक्शन का है इट्स फंक्शन इज टू एब्जॉर्ब वाटर एंड सम सॉल्ट्स फ्रॉम द अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड मटेरियल. Number 2, it is about 1.5 meter in length. फंक्शन का नंबर पॉइंट 2 है द रिमेनिंग वेस्ट पासेस इनटू रेक्टम. नंबर 3 है स्ट्रक्चर का इट एंड्स इन द रेक्टम एंड रेक्टम ओपन्स आउटसाइड ऑफ द बॉडी एज एनस. नंबर 3 है द सेमी सॉलिड फेजेस टेम्परेरीली स्टोर इन द रेक्टम. Write a brief note on liver and pancreas. Liver and pancreas secrete digestive juices. इसका location is located in the upper part of the abdomen on the right side of the body. Pancreas, it is located just below the stomach on the left side of the body. Appearance, it is the largest gland of body and is reddish brown in color. It is a large cream color gland. Secretion and function. It secretes bile that is stored in a sac called bladder. It secretes pancreatic juice which is useful digestive juice for the digestion of carbohydrate, fats and proteins. Next number 9 है explain the process of rumination in grass eating animals. Answer है cows, buffaloes, other grass-eating animals while grazing quickly swallow the grass. This food is stored in a part of stomach called rumen. Here, the food gets partially digested and is called stew. It's called curd. Later, the curd returns to the mouth in small lumps and the animals chew this. This process is called rumination and these animals are called ruminants. Next, explain giving scientific reason. One should chew the food as much as possible. By much chewing the food, it is broken down into very small fragments and sufficient amount of saliva gets mixed with नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 है द लोफ टेस्ट स्वीटर देन व्हेन च्यूड फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. नहीं सॉरी हाँ इसका यहाँ मिक्स विथ इट. नंबर 2 सो द फूड बिकम सॉफ्ट एंड स्मूथ. नंबर 3 एंजाइम in the saliva converts starch of the food into sugar. Number 4 thus when the food is chewed much, a major part of starch is digested in the mouth itself and such food rapidly and easily digested further in stomach and in small intestine. Next number 2 है loaf tastes sweeter when chewed for a longer time. The loaf contains starch as the chief components. Number 2, when the loaf is chewed for a longer time, adequate quantity of saliva mixes with it. Saliva contain the enzyme which converts starch into sugar. The sugar is sweet in taste, hence the loaf tastes sweeter when the chew for a longer time. ये आपको क्लास वर्क की बुक में और होमवर्क की बुक में लिखना है और लर्न करना है. थैंक यू.